Lesson 11, he, she, and they. Please remember to like and subscribe.
They are running. They are standing. He is standing. He is sleeping. She is running. She is laughing. They are playing. She is calling. He is sitting. She is standing. She is sitting. They are laughing. They are sleeping. She is swimming. They are sitting. He is running. He is calling. He is laughing. He is playing. He is swimming. She is sleeping. She is playing. He is running. She is running. He is sleeping. She is sleeping. He is laughing. She is laughing. She is swimming. They are sitting. She is playing. They are running. They are playing. He is playing. He is standing. She is calling. They are standing. He is sitting. She is standing. They are laughing. He is calling. They are sleeping. She is sitting. He is swimming. He is running. He is sleeping. She is swimming. She is standing. He is calling. They are laughing. She is sitting. They are sleeping. She is playing. He is playing. She is sleeping. He is sitting. They are sitting. They are standing. He is swimming. He is laughing. She is calling. He is standing. She is laughing. She is laughing. They are playing. She is running. They are running.
Play Learn English games on Bitsboard. Enjoying the free educational content? Please remember to like and subscribe.